to shoot this video this morning for Dylan Talks Tone. And I was thinking about some of the gear that we've used this year in 2018. It's kind of getting to the end of the year that really helped us improve everything that we do here at Dylan Talks Tone. And I wanted to share some of that with you, especially for those of you that are either aspiring YouTubers and content creators, Instagram, Facebook, that sort of thing, or those of you that are maybe looking to help your aspiring content creator, you know, buy a gift form or something. So let me show you a few ideas to do that. Well, the first thing is audio. It's the most important thing to me, really. Most aspiring content creators first start out with their cell phone. And so up to this point, it's been a very kind of annoying thing to get like a microphone to upgrade the audio, especially if you have an iPhone. I use an iPhone 10, my wife uses an iPhone 10s, and so this new Rode microphone that actually plugs into the lightning connector has really done a lot to up my audio game with just the iPhone. The video is great out of an iPhone. And as you shoot with it, you'll see that it is awesome. In fact, some of the B-roll that we use on this very video that we're shooting right now is shot with the iPhone. You put that little microphone, pop that baby in the side of there, and boom, your audio is killer. We'll put a link to it in the description below. The other thing, for those of you that are shooting with a cell phone, is stability. Now, I use a little gimbal for my iPhone. It works fantastic. These, again, are not very expensive, but it is a great gift idea, and it is something that will really up the game of a aspiring video creator because it takes the shakes out of the video. So, you know, shaky video and bad audio, probably the two worst things about it. So, the DJI Osmo 2 is the one that I would recommend best for the money. It is fantastic. We'll put a link to it in the description below. They're not real expensive, and they allow you to be able to just really smooth out your shots and make it to where the person is not really distracted by all that vibrating and everything, and just kind of focused on you as the subject. Now, if one of your aspiring video creator friends, or you yourself as an aspiring video creator, wants to kind of upgrade to the next level and doesn't want to spend lots and lots of money, I would recommend going to an action cam. I wouldn't recommend going to this action cam. This is the one I dropped shooting a video a couple weeks ago, and I actually broke the lens. What I want to upgrade to from this Sony FDR-X3000, which was a fantastic camera, by the way, is I've never been a GoPro fan up until this latest GoPro Hero 7, and that is what I think I'm going to not only recommend to you as an action camera if it's something that you're doing more than just shooting on the tripod and you're actually going around and doing various things and you need that fantastic image stabilization that it has, as well as a bunch of the other little features that it has. I'm going to probably change out this Sony that I broke, that fell off the back of my truck, for a GoPro Hero 7. That's going to be my go-to thing. And for those of you that really want to up your video game and really get some cool cinematic shots and really get some effect into your video, this is something that I'm actually new to myself, and that is drone photography. I cannot believe how much a drone has helped the image of my videos. Just in the last couple, I've just really started to use it in the last couple videos, and man, I tell you what, I am really stoked to be able to do some nice establishing shots, be able to create more of a story, and do a lot of things with it. I know they cost a little bit more money, but the DJI Mavic Pro is almost fail-safe. Some of the cheaper knockoff drones are cool and they have some neat features, but I would go with DJI. DJI really has their stuff together, and this thing really works well. And it's a cheaper alternative to like the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Pro 2 and some of the other ones that are up in the $1,500 range. You can get one of these on Amazon for probably half that, and it is fantastic. We'll leave a link to the one I use in the description below. The great thing about these suggestions that we made for you today is they're just kind of compliments of things that you're already doing, probably as a video creator who is trying to experiment and figure it out and make everything better. If you have a good cell phone, like a good modern cell phone, chances are you already have a fantastic camera. You just need to maybe upgrade the audio just a little bit and stabilize it so that it's not as shaky. boom, you have a great video setup. If you're looking to add a wide angle, more action-y kind of feel to what you're doing, as well as the built-in stabilization, maybe adding a second camera angle for not a lot of money, the GoPro Hero 7 is a fantastic opportunity to do that. Really, really cool camera. A lot of tools built into that thing to make it awesome. And lastly, if you really want to level it up and play with establishing shots and really bringing like this theatrical, cinematic kind of feel to even your YouTube videos, drone photography is amazing. I am just getting into it, and I will tell you, it is super addicting. My name is Dylan. This is Dylan Talks Tone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor and share it and like it and subscribe. And if you have any questions or ideas for a video like this one or anything else to do, you know what we do on this channel, do me a favor and put it in the comments below.